Today I just received a package. Now we're gonna install it. Hey! So this is actually what we're going to be installing. It's a little trinket that I thought would be interesting for the little red beast. So what we're going to do first is I'm just going to make sure this thing works before I actually wire it in. We have contact. Oh! I think it works.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Alright, so it works. Let's put her in. So when we're mounting this thing, we're going to be driving. And it's obviously an off-road vehicle, so there's going to be a lot of bumps, you know. Anyways, we want to use strong mounts. So I'm going to use Elmer's glue. You can use whatever you want, but Elmer's glue is what I'm going to use. Alright, so now we have to find a place to mount it. I'm going to put it probably like right about here. So yeah, let's get that done. I'm going to just line up this rear hole. I'm going to have to cut out this. Very, very professional. There. Awesome, so I think that looks pretty good. So now we can move on and slap this thing on there. Just glue it. I don't think there's enough space actually. There we go. Why can I never find anything? Alright, so I'm gonna find the right sized bit. We gotta start with a really small one first. Alright, let's go. There, like a glove. And the second one here. Now let's slap her on there. Good job. Look at that. Beauty. And looking succulent. I wish I had that. Oh, wait. I do. Alright, so I skipped ahead a bit. I've wired through the command wire through the firewall. Had to take all this off. Now we have it wired in right here. Comes in, and then we can control it. And then I'm just gonna put all this, some stuff back where it should be. Wire these to the ground, and I have the power wired in already. And we'll see what she can do. I'm excited. Alright, so that looks like everything. Let's test it out.
Testing. Hey, this is pretty cool. I like it.
Alright, I'm pretty excited. I want to take this thing out and scare a couple of my friends.